हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका आज के एक नए वीडियो में जिसमें मैं आप लोगों का एक फेवरेट टॉपिक लेके आया हूँ। द टॉपिक फॉर टुडेज वीडियो इज योर कोडिंग स्किल्स। ओके, दैट हाउ कैन यू इंप्रूव योर कोडिंग स्किल, फ्रॉम वेयर टू स्टार्ट, हाउ कैन यू प्रिपेयर फॉर इट, which language to start, and so many other questions I am going to cover in this single video. Okay, so this video is going to be really informative. Okay, and this is also your favorite. See, till the time all the previous video was about general engineering. Okay, like in engineering what to do, how to prepare for final sem exam, in engineering what are the important things, what is the subject credit, which subject is important, all the basics general engineering terms I have covered. Okay, but now I am going to on a way to a domain specific means now I am going to start more videos on the coding placement and then computer IT engineering as well. Okay, because see, the thing is, I know that there are mostly my subscribers are from this background: computer IT, EC, then computer science, ICT, and the similar branch which is related with the computer. Okay, so this is the most mandatory, most important skill set you will need if you are in computer related branches. Okay, and that is the coding skills. So this is the first video for the coding skill, and this is a very basic video for the coding skill, because in this there are really basic information I am going to provide. Okay, after then I will make an entire playlist. In that playlist I am going to cover so many things, like let's start with the C language. Okay, the what to learn in C language, what after learning a C language, then how to make a project on the C language, what after completing your first programming language, that is the C, which language to start. Then let's say that if you want to go for a machine learning, artificial intelligence, what to do, because in ML or AI there is no any C language is useful, there is a Python. So there are so many confusion. I know that this time you have, but let me give you the basic knowledge of the coding skill and what is the coding skill. Okay, so coding is a process to write a code in your engineering study, and with the help of that code you are able to build so many functionalities, like you are able to build a website, you are able to build an application, software, Android application, iOS application, and so many things you can do with the help of the coding, because this is the future. Because see, since last couple of years, means let's consider from the pandemic. Okay, how many database is newly created after the lockdown? Okay, the amount of data is suddenly improving, growing and growing, because the thing is, after COVID everyone has their own smartphone. Okay, so let's consider that everyone in your family using the Instagram. Okay, so each and every person of your family is using Instagram, so they are having the database of your login, sign up, when you are doing something, when you are liking someone's photo, when you are putting the comment, when you are watching the story, how many amount of data is generating within a fraction of a second. Right now I'm speaking, there are billions of data is generating. Okay, in the fraction of second, not in just 1 second, in the fraction of second. Okay, so because this is the most trending technologies, most trending things right now. Okay, because आपने भी टीवी पे ऐड देखी होगी कि स्कूल के बच्चे भी अब कोडिंग सीखे, कोडिंग सीखो दुनिया बदलो, आपने इस तरह की, बट दैट इज टोटली डिफरेंट पॉइंट ऑफ डिस्कशन. ओके, नाउ स्टिक टू द टॉपिक. फर्स्ट थिंग what you have to do, you have to start with one programming language. Okay, one programming language you can consider C, C++, Java, Python. Okay, but let me give you two suggestions. If you are going with the C, then start with the C, C++, Java. Second point is Python. No need to do this three technology if you want to go for just Python, machine learning, AI, ML. If you want to do in development things like web development, software development, start with the C, C++, Java. In that you can skip C++, but no need to skip Java, because Java is most important thing. Okay, now you will ask a question that, sir, what if I don't want to cover C, C++, I directly want to start Java? Don't do it. Why? Because in C language is known as the mother language of programming language. It is the most oldest language. अगर आप कोडिंग सीखना स्टार्ट करते हो सी से ही करना होगा. ठीक है, बिकॉज ये इतनी बेसिक लैंग्वेज है कि मोस्टली थिंग्स आर कवर. तो होता क्या है, यहाँ पे मेरा बोर्ड थोड़ा सा दूर है, आपको पता नहीं दिखेगा कि नहीं. सी लैंग्वेज ऐसे सर्कल में आती है. ठीक है, अब सी लैंग्वेज में थोड़ा सा मॉडिफिकेशन करके यहाँ पे आ जाती है C++. अब इसका एक कॉम्बिनेशन बन के होता है पूरा का पूरा जावा. यानी कि जावा में बहुत सारे टॉपिक है, उसमें से थोड़े से टॉपिक सी के आते हैं, थोड़े से टॉपिक C++ पे आते हैं, एंड थोड़े से टॉपिक दोनों में रहते हैं C और C++ में. अब यहाँ पे पता नहीं मेरी फिगर दिख रही है कि नहीं, नो वरीज, लेट मी एक्सप्लेन यू. इन अ सर्कल C language, in the other circle C++, and make a rectangle. The entire rectangle is known as Java, because the thing is, for learning Java you have to first learn C, C++. In C++ no need to cover every topics. Okay, just important topics like oops concept, constructor, these are the topics important in C++. Okay, so go with the C, C++, Java or Python. when you are doing Python, just make sure that you are reading C++. At least you have to knowledge that what is the C, because in placement, when you are sitting for a placement, there is few questions are coming from this technologies like C, C++ and Java. So make sure that you are reading at least something in C language. Okay, so when questions come, you are able to answer it. Okay, this is the first point. Start learning a technology. Okay, and I have already given you the example like Python or C, C++, Java. Second point, from where to learn. Okay, so right now there are you are so lucky people. Okay, so lucky people, because earlier, let's go back to 5 or 7 years, if you want to learn a new technology, it is so much difficult for you, because there were no such YouTube, no such playlist were available in YouTube. ये सब स्टार्ट कब से हुआ है पता है? पैंडेमिक में सब लोग घर पे बैठे थे, तब से इतनी ये कोडिंग के ऊपर वीडियोस प्लेलिस्ट अवेलेबल है, तो ये कोडिंग के बाद ही सब कुछ हुआ है. तो यू आर रियली लकी गाइज, यू आर रियली लकी. मैं ऐसा बोलता हूँ कि अभी ईच एंड एवरी टेक्नोलॉजी, सी के अंदर आप कोई कोडिंग का सवाल लिखो, वो भी अवेलेबल है. अगर आपके यहाँ पे फैकल्टी ने पूछा है एग्जाम के अंदर कि ये पैटर्न कैसे ड्रॉ करे, राइट अ कोड फॉर दिस पैटर्न, यू कैन पुट इट इन द वेबसाइट एंड इन गूगल, एंड गूगल विल गिव यू द यूट्यूब लिंक दैट हाउ टू मेक अ पैटर्न विद द हेल्प ऑफ द सेम क्वेश्चंस which is asked in your faculty in your exam. Okay, so you are really lucky. Okay, so see YouTube, then Geeks for Geeks, Java T Point, W3 School, and so many other websites are available. First, let me start with the YouTube. In YouTube, I am not going to recommend a particular channel's name, because all the channels were doing really great job. Okay, so make sure that first watch few video from first playlist, few video from second, from third, only 1 or 2 videos, few means 1 or 2. Okay, then try to understand from which playlist, from which channel you are able to understand. Let's say that for Java it is easy on tutorials point, but for C language, Jenny's computer science lecture is more important. So what you have to do, you have to open your notepad, you have to write down, for C you are going to use Jenny's computer science lecture, for C++ you are using tutorials point, for Java you are using Gates method, and for Python you are using some other XYZ channel. Okay, I will suggest you the name because so many channels are available. Okay, Telesco is there, Telesco is wonderful for the playlist. Okay, so make a note everything that for which language you are going to take which reference. Okay, this is the first reference. Second reference is website, like I have already mentioned, Geeks for Geeks, Java T Point, Tutorials Point, then there is a W3 School. This all are website are wonderful, extraordinary website, because each and every topics are easily, you can read it from there, you can write your code in the same IDE in the same console. Okay, and you can see your output as well. Okay, so because this is the really wonderful thing. Now, third number point, make sure that in earlier video I have also mentioned that in timetable you have to add at least 30 minutes. Okay, from your entire day-to-day activity you have to take out 30 minutes, and in this 30 minutes you have to just focus on coding. No matter you are solving MCQ, you are reading it, you are writing the code, you are solving the problem, whatever you are doing, you have to do it at least for 30 minutes, and this is a minimum, not maximum. Okay, maximum it is your capacity. If you see, होगा क्या, स्टार्टिंग में बहुत दिक्कत आएगी कि यार कुछ हो नहीं रहा, एरर पे एरर आ रही है, एक कोड लिख नहीं पा रहा हूँ, होगा. आई वॉज ऑन योर प्लेस एट दैट टाइम, मेरे साथ भी ये होता था और ये सबके साथ होगा. ठीक है, क्योंकि स्टार्टिंग में होता ही है, एरर्स आती है, जितनी ज़्यादा एरर आएगी उतना ही अच्छा आपके लिए रहेगा एरर सॉल्विंग. ठीक है, तो वो आपके लिए अच्छा रहेगा. स्टार्टिंग में बहुत ही दर्द देगा, बट धीरे धीरे आप आगे बढ़ोगे, आपको मज़ा आएगा. ये 30 मिनट की कब आपने 1.5 आवर निकाल लिया पता ही नहीं चलेगा, लगेगा कि अभी तो मैंने 6 बजे स्टार्ट किया था, 7:30 बज गए, पता नहीं चला टाइम कहाँ चला गया. ठीक है, ये होगा. सो दिस इज द थर्ड पॉइंट, मेक अ हैबिट ऑफ 30 minutes daily. Okay, yeah, and this is more basic. I'm going to cover advanced in the upcoming videos, but this is the most important thing. Let me summarize entire video in 1 minute, and then we have wrap up for today's video. Okay, because this video is a bit longer, sorry for that. Okay, because see, this is the most important thing, same as the communication skill, this is also required. Okay, first start with a language, second take a reference from the YouTube and the other sources, and third make a habit, make a resolution for the year 2023 that you are going to do coding at least 30 minutes in a day. Alright, so yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any doubts, then feel free to ask me in the comment section. Thank you, bye bye.